They once shared our caves and campfires. Now, you might say, they've moved up in the world. More than pets, these domesticated descendants of the wolf have become our most intimate companions. So how is it that we've lived together so long, and yet we know so little about them? And what will we discover now that scientists are listening more closely to what they are trying to tell us?
Daisy, come on.
Like many dogs and their humans, Daisy's day really begins with her morning walk. And it's a very good place to start untangling the myths and misconceptions about Canis lupus familiaris. As Daisy and her human make their way along their customary route, it soon becomes obvious that they don't understand things in quite the same way. During their stroll, for example, it often seems that Daisy's deliberately trying to trip up her human.
Anybody who's a dog lover has had the experience of walking a dog on a leash, and something is coming that's going to stand between you and the dog if you don't both go around it. And inevitably what happens is, especially with a young dog, you need to go on the side of the dog.